OBKB, you see I'm on a roll right now. I'm just doing it. Now, this video is fully catered, fornicated, whatever catered to people who are in the state of cannot cook America. Where we get that from?
There is no food.
Let's have a look at this here. Kong
Are you
cook
telling me
bomber
that there's no
rascal.
food in the house, Stephanie? So we need to go shopping, right? Alright, hold on. Let me just make sure, verify this.
Wait there.
There's no food in the house.
No, front up.
Let's go. There
On
is
top with
no fucking pussy bomber rascal food in the house.
We're ready now.
There is no food in the house. There is no... What? What?
Is this Amari?
There is no... no Jamaican bread to B0mbocl. Food, meat, blood clot, ice cream.
Oh, it's
There's no food for breakfast. Hold on. Bread. A box of blood
What's it?
clot,
Tell him, Stephanie. Tell her.
carrot.
Go shopping.
No food for breakfast.
You just name it.
Move your pussy clot.
B0mbocl,
No food
just
for
fancy a little
breakfast.
bit. Mommy, me not telling a lie, mommy. You sound like you're cross, angry, and miserable about what you just heard. This situation is overwhelming, underwhelming. Sexy intern, you have any other whelming? No. Alright. One other whelming what we can't think of right now, but bad with a chip left, right, and center. So this video is more than likely not for your children's ears. Send some more pussy clots. Dig up some. Start right. Your mama bomber pussy ras blood bomber ras clot. Just line them out. Swing.
This dumb fucker can't cook. Watch out. No food. No food for breakfast. No
Wait.
food
No laugh at the line
for
first.
breakfast. The American blood clot way.
Cause a B0mbocl.
See American breakfast there. And this them blood clot now.
B0mbocl. Cause a
See
B0mbocl.
how this them pussy clot now.
Big dot.
Panty.
Yes, sister. First
Bomber
one. Yo,
rascal. Call them pussy
B0mbocl.
clot.
Yes.
Come to me for show you B0mbocl face.
Tell foreign pit the bad word.
No
Tell him bad
blood
word.
clot food in the house. No food. All because for breakfast, the American way.
Sing bad word in the ears, man. Sing bomber.
But no food in the house.
No
The pork
food.
and sausage. But no food in the house. No food in the house. Ego.
You know, me want knock out.
Sausage.
Me want burn a fire upon mommy too, you know. Let me
The
burn a fire
fucking
upon mommy.
bitch talk about no.
You see what these foreign parents do? All these foreign parents come to foreign here, start feeding the children them, be a foreign this, foreign that, and foreign the other. Alright now, after they do all that to the children them, and they don't teach the children them to cook, they just expect that when the children reach 18, they will automatically can cook. Maybe in this particular case, I are not slapping it with the nail on the hammer and the top of the nail. At the top of the nail. But I see enough people expect that they treat their children like little fucking little, you know, foreign children that can't really do nothing for themselves. Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, mommy, mommy. And then when they reach 18, you expect them because them come in the kitchen and get dinner share out. Them can cook dinner now. They can't. But anyway, let's return to this here Mother Ross video.
Food in the blood
Light
clot
them up.
house. See there? Food I get prepared for dinner. See there?
Tell them.
And she said no food
Come
in
on.
the house.
Get
Blood
nasty,
clot fish
clot,
from
they can't
Grand
cook you.
Cayman. Look.
The worthless
Egg
fuck
down
you.
there. Lettuce. Tomato. Apple. Orange. But no food in the blood clot house. Your pussy bomber rascal. No cooking
Food like a
motherfucker.
fucker,
If
innit?
you learn for blood clot cook. But there's no blood clot food in the house.
Mommy, you come like
you got
this.
spices, some blood clot
Mommy,
thing there.
you come
learn
like you
for
spend
blood
a lot
clot
of
cook. A
foreign
long
money.
time me I tell you say if you learn
For
to cook,
food.
I don't want blood clot cook.
You
but
make
want
sure
blood
to feel
clot name
house.
Jamaican
Sometimes
food.
you have to dash
You
some
talk
of them
about no
carrot, they go
fucking
off
food in
sometimes.
the
Though.
blood
Tell the
clot
truth, I'm
house.
telling the truth. Alright, shut up.
Fucking dead dog.
Sometimes, mommy, the way how you buy the food them enough, more time, food get dash way. Somebody ring the bell. Shung shang shang. I know I can tell from I see all that household full of food. You want to enroll that child into home economics? No. Furthermore, mommy, America, you them not think you can catch me. I your fault. This video is sponsored by B0mbocl. If you want to hear B0mbocl, Pussy Rasclot, this is the right place to be, right here on the Horny channel, where that lady right there in the United States of America, they're from Jamaica, and she now live in foreign. She are expert at spitting B0mbocl. If anybody should want to learn how to spit B0mbocl, they will be doing a B0mbocl speech therapy lesson where they change the language. You can say B0mbocl and they will teach you how to say B0mbocl. Not like B0mbocl. No. They will interpret and translate and give you the flowing of the tongue. They will train your mouth to set the way to say, your mama B0mbocl. Sexy intern, could you be the first trainee to say a bad word, a so-called? Say a B0mbocl.
A B0mbocl. Pussy clot.
Just first see you at the back of the fucking class. The fuck? Come on, try again. Say,
no good.
say bombo. Say bombo. Well, don't put bass in it. Bombo ras clot. Make it your bombo clot.
Your B0mbocl.
Yeah, your bombo.
Bombo.
You have to flow for the your bombo ras clot.
Bombo.
No, what are you there? You no wait. Your bombo rasclat are just your bombo. You have to put a little. Yes, your bombo. See, you are learning fast. You are getting there.
I see.
By the
Good
time.
Good teacher.
Yes, they like mommy always used to tell me, say, put your tongue between your teeth and say, there. Yeah, something like that. She used to tell me. I forgot a long time. I that good now. But same way you have to pronounce your bombo rasclat. So yes, big up to mommy there and that little child there that's not learning to cook properly. We are pray that you take some cooking courses. There's a couple of YouTube channels that can help you if you don't want to watch mommy cook. Well, now you must be pissed off at mommy. It's a lucky thing she never put you out there on the video so all of us could have see you and then the man them will go down and look you. So you know what? Me not bother look her because she can cook and she want go Red Lobster and she want go a Nando place and she want go all like American shop them where people them always go like Hooters. Them sell food at Hooters or a coffee. Me no know, me never got Hooters yet. Cause me no like eat a restaurant because me no know a chef. Tap ta da ta da. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Horny channel. Sexy intern, you want to say anything before we go? Say B0mbocl.
B0mbocl.
Da 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 da. That's the word.